Alright, so this is a test. We're running Heimer control. It's only our 4th time playing it, so we'll see what happens. Also, yeah. Test. See how the video quality works, whether or not the sound is good. I realized that there's no audio coming from the game itself. First, we're going to replace everything on a Heimer. Audio. How's that? We'll find out. We got a Heimer in our opener. Yes. Stun, lifesteal. This is my own. And we got a progressive. I added in Spirit's Refuge to my build because I didn't have all needed. So, but it's actually come in handy one. Firing Mentor. Rock Destructor. Alright. Store up our spell mana. Round 2. Oh! Well, we are gonna get some scrap scuttlers. A little bit of early defense here. We'll take 3. That's totally worth it. And you know what? You don't need getting that repeat. So you'll get the value out of that once, and done. We'll keep our mana. We can feasibly cast. Don't have any to actually cast. It's not worth giving Barrier and Lifesteal, and we can't go Heimer, so let's just we'll pass the turn.
Without a sound.
Bloody hell, he's got a Zed. Alright. Well. That just made things slightly awkward. We can stun him. Turn.
The enemy
and Yasu. Okay. Oh. Let's send you back. Block you. Yep. We'll take 4. Glad we kept the scuttler back. That hurt. Well, now have access to Heim. We do not have a deny. Oh, we do have a deny. We're just gonna pass. As much as I'd love to have the scuttlers. Yeah, that can be a deny. We can deny that right there. You're not dealing any damage to me. You? Drop that down. Round and round we go! Okay, we don't have another Stun that. Stun that. Okay. Skip the button. But we're gonna get 9 damage in time. You go back up. You go back up. That's gonna hurt. That goes up. That's a huge attack next. Yeah, that's all we can do now. Attack. Okay, we can't do anything. That sucks. Let's get some scrappers. Get a tough. Mark the tough down. Perfect. Perfect. No. No. We're gonna recall that. Nice, a fearsome turret.
Without a sound.
Pass.
They follow the wrong path. We go.
So all first striking? Oh crap. Can block that. Can block that. Block that. And just for funsies, I want to kill. Yeah! Heimerdinger. Going on there. Gonna end the round. Now we have more than enough. Oh my god, we've got 3 days.
Spectrum of pyrotechnics.
There we go. That's nice. Let's... What do I have here? That's a 9/9. And we have the barrier and what's refuge. Actually, hold that.
Set 'em up. We'll knock 'em down.
What? Oh crap. No. Should have used that. Kill Zed.
1 foot grounded.
Cut the breath from
Now we can put the tough down.
It's smaller than the diagram.
Use this. Kill Zed.
Full blast!
He is removing. Put down another loose.
Round and round it goes.
End turn. Now we're gonna have spell. Keep Spirit's Refuge in case he. And we can rummage to get rid of these two. See if we can pull up the second one or another deny. In a pretty good position here.
my war host awaits. The lucky one
What?
return home.
Oh wow, you're pretty big. Okay. Fearsome. That's 6 damage I'm not expecting. But we got a big beefy there, so... Okay. Well, that's an issue, isn't it?
The answer is here, somewhere.
I can't. Okay, he has no mana. So he's got no mana.
Life and death.
So the fearsomes are gonna suck. But what we can do is you can block that. You can block that. You healing and barrier this turn. Take 4.
Dimensions don't determine themselves. Yes, again! Fine, just 1.21 gigahexes.
Opponent surrendered. That's how we do it. Alright. So, that's how we outlast while playing Heimerdinger. Hope you enjoyed. Oh, wait. Not enough for the Noxious. Oh well. Again, hope you enjoyed.